So this is basically what I did in terms of that. This was the little chip that we had previously. This now goes all the way through, and if you look directly there, you can see the bottom. So now the filament won't get actually stuck in the middle there. It will just kind of go through all the way. These are two Enclosure kind of helpers. Basically now, if you put the filament on here, there's no way that these can actually fall out because this part is now elevated. This is approximately the size of the handlebars that the Prusa basically came with. So I think it should hold regular Prusa, regular filament completely fine. So that's good for that one. And I think with that said, I did clean that out enough. Some more wood fell as we go, but that was just kind of me putting that part in. I think we're all good for now though. There's really nothing else we can do too much about that. Well actually, that's not true. I might just put one last bit of tape on there. But then I think it's time to just assemble it all and leave it all alone. And then we'll do a test run. And after that, we'll kind of clean up a little bit. And oh yeah, one last thing was, I am going to return the last lac table. I don't think we really need the last lac table. It's just a little too extra at this point. Over here. Now enclosure goes down to those parts. And fits pretty well at the back. Very minimal movement everywhere. Very good. And glass case, completely fine. That's the enclosure there, and to test it with trial by fire, I have the window open now. Auto load. And actually, if we're doing the other loading, let me just make sure. This one is good. Filament feeding through. Correct color, completely fine. Now, let's leave just a little bit open. Now we can print. I'm hoping it works, but you know, things never always, usually never goes exactly where you plan on the first try.